Hello, in this lesson I will show you how to create a purchase order analysis report. So let's begin by going first to logistics, then go to materials management, click on purchasing, click on purchase order, click on reporting. There are a list of report options available in SAP to generate a purchase order report. For this lesson we are going to choose the first option on the list, ME80FN, General Analysis. So let's go ahead and double click on this transaction. The General Evaluations screen for generating the PO analysis report is displayed with a list of selections. You could enter the maximum number of hits or you could leave it blank. For now I'm going to leave it blank. Let's click on the plant number to limit our selections of documents to be displayed. So let's choose 1000 for plant number. Select the document type and let's click on the search icon, and I'm going to choose standard purchase order of NB. Double click on this one. For the document category, let me hit the selection, search selection, and choose purchase order lithograph. Purchasing group, let me put purchasing group as 001. Purchasing organization, again I'm going to enter 1000. Let's go ahead and click on the execute to generate the report. There's a big selection of purchase orders being displayed. So the SAP system here showing list of purchase orders available in the system. Let me go and click on the back icon and limit my hits up to, for example, let's make it 30. Let's go back and click on execute, and I get from SAP a message to confirm that I have chosen a number of hits is 30. Let me just confirm it, say yes. So I have 30 purchase order being displayed on the screen. How about limiting this report to a specific selection like material number or vendor number to narrow the list? So let's go and click on the back icon. Go ahead now and click on the material number field, click on the search icon. Let's enter bear for bearing, press enter key, and then go ahead and choose the 100-510. Click to confirm. Let's change the plant 3000 instead of 1000, and the purchasing organization, to 3000 as well. And this guy we're gonna change it to 000. Let's go ahead and click on the execute. We have two reports now displayed by SAP. Let's go ahead and select the second purchase document, and let's go ahead and click on the purchasing document to display the PO details. Go ahead and click on the header icon to see the status of the order. Go ahead and status being selected, status tab right here. Notice that the order has quantity of 6 pieces and shows that the 6 pieces still not delivered, so still to deliver. Click on the back icon to go back to the list of the POs. Click again on the second PO and click on material to see the details of this PO. Notice that you in the review screen, so you can see all the details of the material, but you can't do any changes. Go back and click on back icon to get out of the screen. Select the second purchase order again and click on the vendor button. The SAP system displays the vendor's master record and the details of this vendor. Notice that this transaction allows you to display all the data entered earlier, again this purchase order, the material master record and the vendor master record. Let me go and click on the back icon. You have also the option to print preview the purchase order from here as well. So let's go and click on the back icon to leave this screen. You have just learned how to create a purchase order general analysis report. Let's go ahead now and review the quiz questions in this lesson to find out how much you have learned from this material. And if you have any problem, you could go back and review the material one more time.